Let's see how we can extend this business story by using natural language query in Yujaa. For example, I was just working on this hiring data, and now I want to see with the natural language query whether I can create a business story further. Uh, so I want to know on number of source from where I have got profiles to hire people, and I immediately get that these are the number of people I get from different type of sources. I add this as a chart because I wanted to just see them. I actually go and try to go into the edit mode where I can modify them and see this as a tree map, and I can bring in a little bit of gradient and put some different type of colors, and this looks good, and I can make it a little bit bigger so that I can see the data more proper. Good enough. But now if I want to extend and then say number of source for Selenium is a difficult type of a skill to hire, and I go for Selenium, and then it will ask whether Selenium you're looking for key skill or for secondary skill. But no, this is a key skill, and then I will know, okay, these are the methods by which I've got it 8 different sources, and now my preempted question will be how many sources for or how many referrals I have got for different type of other streams, and this chart would automatically come where I will know for what type of streams I have got how many profiles. And what I can do here is I can just limit it to see what are the top 10 sources, and I will just complete this graph and then save it. Good enough. I am able to drill down and go further using my NLP, and I wanted to see number of sources for Selenium by, let's say, mail that has referred me, and there is key skill, and so there are 6, and now it will take, okay, how many referrals of how many counts of uh, uh, resumes have come on male and female, but I don't want to add this chart. It's simple one. And then I will say, okay, for QA engineer, how many I have got. So I'm able to, the NLQ will preempt the query, and then I can get number of engineers. And here, okay, so there are 3 referrals from the engineers, and then then this will preempt because it will expect that I wanted to know what type of designation people have joined. So I think, yeah, that's an important chart I would like to have in my dashboard, and then I can just ask it to be created, and just by dragging and dropping I can see, oh, there are so many skills I have hired, so I can see what I want to do with this skills. And what I can do is I can again limit it to top 15 sources, let's say, and then see, yeah, this is good, and I'll see if I can change the chart type to this, and color to this type, and I will save this data, and this is how my graph will look like. And oh, yeah, and I can save this, and I can extend this NLP by saying for QA engineer, and if I want to know, let's say there are different business units, so if I wanted to know that how many are there in business unit 2, So yeah, let's see if I can find that out. So I think there is no QA engineer for Selenium in BU2, correct? But if we see if there is something else, no, I think there is a space before BU2, and then we'll see if there is something. Oh, yeah, there is nothing. And I can see if I will be having this data for, let's say, some other BU. For example, if there is some referral of some QA engineer in BU1, there is none. It may be in some other BU. So that's how you can see that you can drill down up to nth level in and NLQ of Yujaa, and then create business stories seamlessly. And this is how this has turned up, and this is available in your Yujaa portal now, along with all other reports and dashboards. Here it is, which I just made by writing some queries. Thank you.